What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, I hope I said this guy name right. Slothy. T-H-A Thigh. Sloth. T-H-A-I. And Skepta cancelled. If me say your name wrong, bro, I'm sorry. I've never come across a word like that or a name like that. So anyway, we're reacting to this song today called Cancel. I just came across it on YouTube and I thought, why not? It'd be rude not to. Like, don't do that, bro. Like, let's go. Big up all the new subs, then. Big up all the original subs, them. I don't know. Please like the video before you watch it. Let's put some energy on that song now. Let's go!
Yo.
Hello, Skippy. Wagwan.
No.
That's some psycho shit. He's psycho or what? Him psycho?
Yo.
Hello, Skippy. Wagwan.
Look at his eyes. Look at him eye them. That's some psycho thing I go on here, sir?
Nothing. Posted. Watching the game. Smoking a cigar.
You all alone?
What? What?
Yo.
Oh god, this video is gonna be crazy. I can just tell this video is gonna be crazy, like
Where's
crazy.
the phone? Hey yo, Samo.
You know why I'm laughing? Because I can't imagine me and my friend them do this crazy shit here. Oh, the bumbo clap me I watch. What is this am I watching, guys?
In 21, Slow Tie released this.
Oh, Slow Tie. Okay, my G, okay.
His most accomplished album. I think his undisputed masterpiece.
Now you're dripping blood.
So good.
Why is he dressed like this? Why I'm dressed like this, people?
Now you're dripping blood from the neck. From the neck. How you gonna cancel me? Your award to the mantelpiece.
I think I'm gonna have to pay more attention to the video than the lyrics. I tried to do both. What kind of psychotic? Him psychotic. In his psychiatrical evaluation.
So
Go gang. Now you're dripping blood from the neck. From the neck. How you gonna cancel me?
Blood. Okay, let's try to focus on both.
20 awards on the mantelpiece. Pyramid stage at Glastonbury. Girls in the crowd got their hands on me.
Oh, you go cancel me. That is what Skepta is saying. Oh, you go cancel me. Then him start name out him accolades them. Him start name out him achievement them. Alright, let's go.
But you wanna cancel who? Fuck with the cult, now the gang's on you. I'm a vampire, got the fangs on you. Now you're dripping blood.
Cancel who? Now the whole cult upon you. It's not a gang, you know, it's a cult. The whole family upon you, the whole cult upon you. Now you're dripping bloods, bro. Like, you can't cancel me, brother. I am the game.
How you gonna cancel me? 20 awards on the mantelpiece. Pyramid stage at Glastonbury. Girls in the crowd got their hands on me.
The pyramid stage and the main stage at Glastonbury, though, the pyramid stage. So he's not on like a side stage. He's telling you, listen, oh, you gonna cancel me. Me there on the pyramid stage, the main stage. Don't try that shit. Look on this guy's face. What is wrong with him? Psycho.
You wanna cancel who? Fuck with the cult, now the gang's on you. I'm a vampire, got the fangs on you. Now you're dripping blood.
What the fuck is going on in this video, man? This look like some scary movie shit. Me not like scary movie, no. Me easy for afraid, you know. Me not like scary movie or scary game or anything to do with scary, no. Me easy if I cannot sleep at night. Me easy if see ghosts in my sleep. Me easy if see just start hear voices. Me easy if do all of that shit. Something like them thing, yeah? What the fuck is this video me? I'm sure this video have a meaning behind it, dog. I'm sure the video have a meaning behind it. The concept is from somewhere, I'm sure, but I do not know which one.
I am an actor, fuck the Oscars. Main stage in my boxes. 1,000 grams, fuck the Grammys. Same for the shotters.
Ooh, okay. Okay, motherfucker.
I am an actor, fuck the Oscars. Main stage in my boxes. 1,000 grams, fuck the Grammys.
Main stage in my boxes. 1,000 grams, fuck the Grammys. So basically, if you want to cancel me, fuck the whole on basically. Yo, go. I've been doing it, so fuck off. That's what I must say. Sorry for the profanity, but this is what this video is about.
Same for the shotters. Massage for the push shot. Only bad things on the roster. I shot caffeine like a Costa.
I shot caffeine like a... There's a next dead body there beside him now. Him just kill the next person. Yo, this video have a strong meaning behind it. Can somebody please explain the concept of the video?
My team, what the bomb on. She said I do magic like Harry Potter. I'm off the vodka, ordering lobster. Said it's preposterous, I'm so obnoxious, I need a doctor.
Who is this guy? At the first man I hear him name, at the first man I watch a video of him, at the first man I listen to music. Who is this guy? Can somebody point me in the right direction or give me some lowdown about this guy? This guy is crazy. This guy is insane. This guy is insane. Like, him can rap, dog, and he can act. Obviously, he can act.
Said I won't come back. I must be cancer, ain't got much longer. Then I made a comeback, kicking like on back. Now I got blood on my
cancel me.
The city's preposterous, I'm so obnoxious, I need a doctor. Said I won't come back. I must be cancer, ain't got much longer. Then
I must be cancer, ain't got much longer. This guy is deranged. This guy's a raving madman. This guy's a lunatic. This guy is trained to
I made a comeback, kicking like on back. Now I got blood on my
cancel me. 20 awards on the mantelpiece. Pyramid stage at Glastonbury. Girls in the crowd got their hands.
Oh my god, him have the hook. Him have the hook now. Skepta the hook. The hook hand man. Skepta the hooky. Skepta the hook.
I bet you wanna cancel who? Fuck with the cult, now the gang's on you. I'm a vampire, got the fangs on you. Now you're dripping blood. Show me your face. Let me see who's really trying to stop.
Oh my god, he's about to kill somebody now. Oh god. He's about to kill somebody. Skepta's about to commit murder with him hook hand.
Pay the price, don't care what it costs me. I just gotta spit, can't put a sock in it. Endless poetry like Jodorowsky. Super off key.
Messi. Not the footballer Messi, but this is Messi. Like,
Run through the streets with a few G's. We ain't killing them softly. No, we got cranium shots for you zombies.
run through the street like the Fugees. Now we ain't killing them softly. You know the song? Killing them softly with his song. That's the Fugees. So basically, him and say, yo, that I go out and headshot killing of the zombies.
Pass out, shell casing dropping on the ground. On my high horse, it's so far down. See you throwing stones in your glass house. Evidently, nothing is going the way that you said it would be.
This video is fucking scary, like, no joke. It's scary, no joke. The video is scary, brother. The whole production scary.
Finger to my enemy, foot on your neck, got them begging me, please. How you gonna cancel me? 20 awards on the mantelpiece. Pyramid stage at Glastonbury. Girls in the crowd got their hands on me.
He just killed somebody else again and put in the back of the truck. Yo, I'm confused about this video. I'm very confused. Obviously, me know what them are do, but the concept of it, I'm very confused. Like, who them are kill, who cancel them, who are try cancel them, who them are kill. Who are these people? What? Yo,
I bet you wanna cancel who? Fuck with the cult, now the gang's on you. I'm a vampire, got the fangs on you. Now you're dripping blood.
Hold on there, man. That's it? That's it? That's it? Alright. The chorus bad. This chorus bad. The lyrics them bad. Slow tie your bad youth. Skepta, we don't know your thing already. You in a class by yourself. But that, What the fuck is this video about? Like, what is this video about? Who are cancel no? Who are try cancel no, brother? And why all the scary shit in the video? If we didn't know say it is that scary, I would not react to it. I would never react to this. Somebody could have told me say it's scary. Man, I use axe to chop up man. Man, I put man in a chop back. Man, I use chainsaw to chop up people. Skepta with the hook on him hand. Who can Skepta? Who can Skepta? What the bambata go on? You never know how all these things are going in this video, yeah? Yo, production team, big up on yourself. Artist them, big up on yourself. Skepta and Slow Time, big up yourself, dog. I never know, say, yo, Slow Time, maybe I have to go do some more research for you, G. Guys, thanks for watching this video. I don't know what you guys expected, but that is not what I expected. But big up on yourself, same way. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.